Yeah, I could have seen how that could have went bad. Welcome to Sneaker Notes, man. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. This is your first time checking me out. Hit subscribe. Trust me, it's a whole bunch of fire content on this channel. Let's get them numbers up. Today, I decided I'm going to do a video. Should I sit or sell? Should I rock or stop? On all these pickups that I picked up this month and a little bit last month, because you know March just started. So without further ado, let's get it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They tell Nipsey the marathon continues, man. Give them a choice. Man, you friend or foe. Deposits hit the bank, I hit the whoa. Got off the plane, man, I'm heading to the show. Supreme Bubbles. Real quick before we get into all the sit and sell, rock or stock situation, a commentator, someone who commented, wrote under the one of my videos that I ain't been keeping y'all up to date on the Supreme stuff. The thing is, Supreme took that week off after they took their regular break off, and it messed my mind up, so I've been forgetting. But last week, I went in, I really didn't like too much. The Ninja Turtle tee was alright, but it wasn't nothing to really throw me off my rocker. They gave me some bubbles because I copped this. Yes, sir. The Supreme Water Gun tee. And I usually don't buy white, but the white mixed with the red gun, you know, it makes Supreme what Supreme is. So yeah, guys, now back to the kicks. Now, in case you've been under a rock, you already know what this box symbolizes. And shout out to LeBron. I see LeBron is getting his own Air Max 95. I don't usually cop LeBrons, but I might go for those. These here are your classic Air Max 95s in the most classic color they ever made. The neon green. I like to call these tennis balls. I brought them because they OG, and whenever these come out, I'm going to cop. But should I keep them this time around? I mean, I done had this sneaker 7-8 times already. I mean, these are the OGs, but being that these came back, RIP to the Mamba, man. The Kobe Grinches, I don't need that much lime green in my life. Granted, my Jeep Wrangler is gecko green. I don't know, man. I mean, this is the one I'm going to run the rock with, man. But I'm going to choose to sit on these. Not rock it, but I'm going to definitely choose to sit on these. I see resale is at like $280. I think I paid $160, so it's definitely a profit in it. But like I said, these are OGs, so these are going to stay in my collection. But I'm not rocking these before I rock these. Next up, you know when it's a pull tab or something, right? Bam. Your undefeated Air Max 97 Militia, Militia, something like that. This came in a 2-pack with the Vote colorway. The Vote colorway I got out of here last week. I already told you how I feel about Vote, Neon, Lime. They all going to the Kobe Grinches. But the Militia colorway is super dope. And not only that, this sneaker went for $1,000 last year. $1,000. Right now you could get this sneaker for $140. So I know I'm helping y'all to participate, asking y'all to help me and participate with this, but at the end of the day, there's no way I'm selling this sneaker at a $130 price tag when I paid $375 for the whole set. Granted, it came with 2 pairs of sneakers and like 2 or 3 undefeated Funko Pop toys. So I'm kind of like not in the red. I'm like right in the middle of the line there. But these sneakers is fire.
all money aside, all resale value aside, forget what someone thinks about it. I feel like this sneaker is super dope. And these, I'm definitely going to sit and rock. Boom. Your Jordan 1 neutral grade, high OG, 85s. I mean, look, y'all. I'm a Jordan 1 lover. We all know that. I can't do the all-white Jordan 1, man. It looks like Uptown to me. It's that simple. I got lucky enough to win these in a raffle. I would rather the colorway that came out last February. So if anybody want to swap 10.5, we could do it. The resale value at both sneakers are the same. They're sitting between 500 and 600, closer to that 600 range at the time of recording. So these, I think I'm definitely going to sell, because I'm never going to wear this. Y'all know how I feel about all white sneakers. I have cream white Yeezys, off-white Prestos. I just can't do the all white, man. So unfortunately, guys, these will be going soon.
Straight up!
Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. I'm not gonna lie. When I first seen pictures of this sneaker, I said, Travis Scott, friends and family all over again. And they do not disappoint in hand. But if you know me and you watch the channel, you know I hate
straight up
the jump man on the booty, man. Nike Air has to be there, man. It should be standard. But that's my only gripe with the sneaker, man. Other than that, man, I think the sneaker is like super dope. I love the way the ostrich material peels off here. I didn't like it at first, but I like it, man. I like it. And this was like a lot of people's fan favorite because of the whole Travis Scott situation. As you can see, resale values is between $300 and $350, and they will rise higher. I know they will. It's a dope sneaker, man. Not my color, but dope sneaker. So with these, I'm definitely going to sit. Only because I could put them next to my real Cactus Jack Jordan 4 Travis Scott.
Straight up!
And hope that they blend in as friends and family. So yeah, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. A couple days ago, I put out my Jordan 1 collection that I didn't wear yet, and that still went to 20 minutes, and I'm still like 13 shoes that I didn't show y'all. So this is gonna be part 1. Part 2 is coming in a couple days, man. I got a whole bunch of boxes over here. There's a whole side of a room that I rarely never let you guys see. A whole bunch of other sneakers that I didn't DS and slides. So we'll get into that in part 2. So hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so when part 2 come out, you'll be first to check it out, man. I got some dunks, man, a whole bunch of stuff. Man, I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich.
Tell Nipsey the marathon continues, man. Give them a choice. Man, you friend or foe. Deposits hit the bank, I hit the whoa. Got off the plane, man, I'm heading to the show.